In this video today, I'm going to be sharing the reasons why I invest, and it's a family vlog of me outside my family in Burnovart, northeast of Scotland. This is a beautiful place. Alright, now we're going to be walking down the family to Burnovart, amazing place in northeast of Scotland. I've been here 10 years ago, not been here since, so I'm going to show Audrey. You've never been here, have you? Okay, let's go and have a look. Alright guys, so is that a water leech? Come on, just chuck a stone in there. Is that a leech? No? No? No, I thought it was a leech. No. Nope.
What's a leech?
A leech, if you jump into the river, a leech can latch on you and suck your blood out. Do you want it? No? Alright, fine. So for the very number one reason, why do I encourage people to invest? Investment comes in many forms. It's your hard-earned money, putting somewhere, hopefully it will grow. It's the same goal. It can be properties, it can be houses, it can be cars, memorabilia, it can be investing in stocks and shares and gold. But I like stocks and shares myself, which I'm encouraging. It's because you can invest with low amount of capital. You do not need to invest with high amount of capital. You do not need people to fund you. You can just invest with something you hard earn. And with apps these days, with fractional shares investing, partial share investing, you can just buy shares from £10. Apple shares, Amazon shares, fractionally for £10. So it's easy. Stocks and shares investing is easy, and you can invest in things you know. You don't have to invest in things that you don't know. You can choose what you know and invest in it. That's why my reason number one, stocks and shares investing, it's easy to understand, easy to learn, and there are vast information out there, like me sharing with you today. So what's happening over here? What are you guys doing? Oh, how do you guys jump across? Okay, I'm gonna do it. If I fall, don't laugh, okay? Okay, is it slippery? Hey, I'm across! You're not there, loser, loser! Sorry. Okay, now this is the interesting part. We're gonna go in there. I think where the Vart is, where all caves in the west. I think that's where the waterfall came from. I remember the last time I came, there was no water flowing, but we're gonna go in there and have a look. The kids are getting excited. You know, pictures, typical family. So let's go in there and have a look. Look at this place. This place is called Burnovart. Seriously, where are they going? Where? I don't know where they're going. They're just leaving me behind here. So the second reason for stock share investing, it forces you to save money. It's hard to say. I tried saving money since I was 18, 24, 32. The only time I managed to really save money is started investing in my early 30s. So only time where I seriously wanted to save money. Okay, I can't control them, they're all running away. You can see, up the river, they're trying to find the golden nugget or something. Third reason now, investing beats all form of financial vehicles like bonds, interest rate savings, high interest rates. You know, look at the S&P 500, the average about 9% in the last 90 years. 9% a yield every year, average out of the last 90 years, including all the crashes that's been included. That's how, there are many ways that you can help boost your 9% by index investing. If you can control something, that's what I like, and that's what I want to share with you. Where are you guys going? You're not waiting for me. It comes to a point where the kids grow up, you know, they're all grown, they don't need the daddy again, they're going to explore themselves. It's good, you can do my video here, but sometimes, you know, they're growing up too fast. And the fourth reason for investing, you make money while you sleep. It basically grows year on year. As long as you compound and reinvest your interest, and reinvest your dividend, buy back shares, savings to top up. But it helps you grow money while you sleep. For the first 10 years, you're not going to see much. I'm just being plain honest. You need to see after 20 years, 30 years. And technically, you could grow your pension fund. From it, you don't have to rely on a pension scheme. While I'm sleeping, I'm reading for fun. I'm just reading I don't trade every day. I trade on, you know, climates like the COVID, like the oil crash. These are the times where I start putting money in, taking money out. But most of the time, I'm just sitting there talking to you on YouTube. Reason number 5, which I want to share with you, that took me a while to understand. And for the last 10 years, there's been 2 crash, job scare, scared of losing your job, worried that you might not pay for mortgage. Investing helps me to give me a secure blanket. To know if anything happens, I've got backup cash. If it goes worse to the point, And because I've not spent them, because I've been saving them hard, it gives me a target that I may be able to retire early. So it helps you build that knowledge at the same time. You're making money elsewhere. It's not as much as your day income or not as much as your monthly income, but it's giving you a peace of mind that it's growing. It's growing as you go along, and dividends, in growth, and also you're mindful, your knowledge of understanding the market a lot better. So it builds every avenue, the muscle here, the financial muscle, and the family muscle. Now I'm out of breath here. This video is a partnership with StockCard.io. I use StockCard on a daily basis for new stocks or existing stocks. And even better, StockCard helps me in my investment where they send me emails on my watch list if technical indicators change. If the RSI or stochastic or momentum change, they will tell me, I check my email, I know, and I can act upon it, make a conscious technical decision. So click on the link below. I use it myself, really useful, and I highly recommend to you guys. So catch you later. Oh, it's cold still. Now I'm going to share my 6th reason. The 6th reason sounds a bit cocky, sounds a bit arrogant, but I really want to share views with you because this is my real life experience. Reason number 6, if you invest, if you do it well and it grows, it's about your net worth. You know, you go to work, you know your manager that annoys you, you know that superior that annoys you every time. Trust me, the difference between you and him salary is, let's say, 10, 15, 20%. He's got more responsible than you. You know, he's got more stuff to sign up, but he's annoying, he's trying to boss you around. But when you go to work knowing that you're richer than him, yes, richer than him, meaning you got more wealth because you've got your monthly income, and then you've got your wealth income from stocks and shares. If it grows, and now I've grown my portfolio. I know that I've got more money than most of the guys at work. So when I walk into work, I'm not going to be, I'm not going to bow my head down to these people. Oh, please keep my job. I'm not worried. I'm being arrogant, yes, but I know that I've got enough money at the sideline. Knowing that you're going to work, you still can do your 9 to 5 job. You can do your investing at night or lunch or when you're reading, and you got money aside. You do not have to worry. You don't have to go saying, oh my God, that guy's driving a Mercedes-Benz. Trust me. The guy, my superiors that drives nice Porsche car, it's all a monthly. They all pay by monthly payments, okay? It's not cash out, right? When I bought my car, when I bought my Beamer, 2 Series second hand, I bought it cash right out. You know, my monthly expenses is lower than those guys because stock and share investment helped me sort my financial planning, financial knowledge. So stocks and shares investing or any form of financial investing helps you think that way. So you do not have to worry about going to work saying, oh, the guy's richer than me. No, his pay grade is higher than you. It doesn't mean he's richer than you. So I hope that helps to psych you up, get your investing brain on, be on top of the world, man. Be on top of the world. And now we're going down to the lake. Let's find the lake. Okay. Let's find the lake. Oh, there's a mushroom here.
So this is a poisonous mushroom.
For my final reason number 7 is I invest because of these guys here, my kids. I invest not because I want to get money, I want to grow rich, but I want to invest to learn so that I can teach you guys how to invest when you guys grow up. I teach you guys on a daily basis about stocks and shares, bull market and all. So teaching them why? Because Warren Buffett started at 9. And I want them to beat Warren Buffett by starting investing early. I start a portfolio for them. I invest and I teach them. And so when they grow up, they know about money, on how to use them, how to spend, how to save, and how to invest. It's all about bringing up mini Warren Buffett because he invested early and he lived a very long life. So there's 2 easy remedies on how to get rich. So that's my reason number 7. I hope I've inspired you guys that you can share, bring it back to your family and start your investment journey just like me. Alright guys? Thanks a lot. Anything you want to share with the audience? What's your favorite stock just now? What would you like to invest? How about you, Oscar? What would you like to invest while Audrey's thinking? Disney. How about you, Oscar? What would you like to invest in? Is it starts with T? Tesla. And Audrey. It's Apple, is it? Alright, before I say goodbye, please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. And if you want, support me on Patreon as well, so I can produce content like this every single day for you guys, to give you guys value. So please do share. Please do share this video to help us grow our YouTube channel, yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.